Airports can be a maze, can't they? Long lines, confusing layouts, and heavy bags. It's no surprise, airports often feel more stressful than exciting. But what if I told you that, with just a few simple hacks, seniors aged 50 to 65 and beyond can turn those stressful moments into smooth, enjoyable journeys? Imagine traveling with ease, breezing through security, and even avoiding the chaos that makes airports feel like a battleground. I've gathered 7 game-changing airport hacks that every senior wishes they knew before boarding their flight. Whether it's smart packing, finding peaceful corners in the terminal, or expert tricks on staying calm, these small changes can save you time, energy, and unnecessary frustration. Stay with me until the end, because these hacks could completely transform the way you travel. Let's dive right into hack number 1. 1. Arrive early, but not too early. We've all heard it. Arrive 3 to 4 hours early, just to be safe. But here's the truth. Showing up that early can drain your energy before you even board your flight. Instead, aim for a more balanced approach. For most domestic flights in the US and Canada, 2 hours is usually enough. For international flights, try to stick to around 3 hours. This way, you avoid the stress of rushing, but also don't waste half of your day sitting in uncomfortable terminal chairs. One senior couple shared their experience. They used to budget excessive extra time, only to end up exhausted and buying overpriced snacks while they waited. Now, they've mastered the art of timing their arrival, sometimes even booking lounge access for those longer waits. This ensures that they board feeling rested and ready. Pro tip: before you go, check your airport's size and consider traffic patterns around your departure time. If you need wheelchair assistance, add an extra 15 to 30 minutes, not hours. Now that you've got your arrival down, let's talk about packing smart. 2. Pack smart for security and smooth movement. How you pack can make a world of difference in how quickly you breeze through security. Keep your boarding pass, ID, glasses, and medications in a small bag that's easy to grab. Place your liquids in a clear quart-size bag at the top of your carry-on, and resist the urge to overpack stuffed luggage. Makes moving through the airport more difficult. One 68-year-old traveler used to carry a heavy shoulder bag packed with extras, making her constantly dig through it at checkpoints. After switching to a wheeled carry-on and a slim crossbody bag for essentials, her airport routine became faster and much less tiring. Pro tip: create a security kit pouch with everything you need to place in the tray. Glasses, phone, wallet, watch. Pull it out once, place it in the tray, and you'll breeze through in seconds. 3. Use mobile boarding passes and real-time alerts. While paper boarding passes still work, they can't match the convenience of your airline's app. With the app, you get instant access to your boarding pass and real-time alerts for gate changes or delays. That little buzz on your phone can save you from a stressful wrong turn. One traveler in her 70 seconds nearly missed her connection until her phone alerted her to a gate change across the terminal. She was able to calmly adjust her path instead of rushing in panic. Pro tip: screenshot your boarding pass in case Wi-Fi goes out. Also, enable both airline and airport notifications. Sometimes, one will alert you about changes before the other. 4. Request assistance and special services ahead of time. Airports and airlines across North America offer more help than most seniors realize. From wheelchair escorts to priority security lanes, and even boarding assistance. These services are often free, but you need to ask for them in advance. One 80-year-old widower shared how much his travel experience improved once he learned to request assistance. Before, he struggled through long lines and nearly missed his gate. On his next trip, he arranged assistance ahead of time, and from curbside to boarding door, staff guided him every step of the way, making the whole process stress-free. Pro tip: call your airline's customer service and add your request to your reservation. Keep any medical paperwork in your carry-on to speed things up. 5. Choose your seat wisely before boarding. The right seat can totally transform your flight experience. Aisle seats offer more freedom to stretch and move around. Bulkhead rows provide extra legroom, and sitting near the restroom can save you from long, uncomfortable walks. Here's the trick. Don't just check your seat map at booking. Check it again 24 hours before your flight. Many seniors have snagged better seats at no extra cost this way. Take a retired couple's story. They once endured a 5-hour flight wedged into middle seats. The next time, they set an alarm to recheck their seat map and scored bulkhead aisle seats for free. The difference in comfort and mobility was night and day. Pro tip: set a reminder 24 hours before departure. That's when airlines often reshuffle seats and better options may appear. 6. Stay hydrated and bring your own snacks. Airplane cabins are dry, and flying can dehydrate you faster than you might think. Add long waits and expensive food, and it's easy to feel weak or dizzy. But don't worry, the fix is simple. Stay hydrated and bring snacks you actually enjoy. Instead of buying overpriced snacks at the airport, bring an empty refillable water bottle and stock up on healthy snacks like nuts, granola bars, or fruit slices. You save money and avoid uncomfortable blood sugar drops mid-flight. One senior traveler admitted she used to skip snacks until after security, only to feel shaky and tired. Now, she brings her own and feels so much better. Pro tip: choose light snacks and avoid heavy salt or caffeine before boarding. Small bites every few hours will keep your body steady and energized throughout the journey. 7. Use lounges, quiet areas, and comfort zones. When possible, airports can be noisy and chaotic, but most have hidden spots of calm. Some offer sensory rooms, meditation spaces, or chapels. And don't forget about lounges, they're lifesavers. Many credit cards or day passes unlock access to comfy chairs, outlets, and free refreshments. Just 90 minutes in a quiet lounge can recharge your energy for hours. One woman, in her late 70s, shared how she now always checks for quiet zones. After a draining layover, she found a small lounge with free tea and comfortable seating. She boarded her flight, feeling calm, not frazzled. Pro tip: before you travel, research your airport's map to locate lounges or quiet areas. Knowing where to go ahead of time can save you from wandering when you're already tired. Ready for your next smooth airport experience? Now that you've got these powerful airport hacks in your pocket, it's time to take your travel to the next level. Which of these tips will you try first on your next trip? Is it the smarter packing, grabbing that aisle seat, or sneaking off to a quiet corner before boarding? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience might be exactly what another senior traveler needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it so others can discover these life-changing hacks too. And subscribe, because in our next video, we'll reveal TSA secrets that seniors often get wrong, and you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.